Today we're going to be making hot chocolate popcorn. Today we're going to be watching some great Christmas movies, and for us to do one of our favorite snacks is hot chocolate popcorn, because it's a little bit, it brings that warmth in there, but you also have the snack of the popcorn. For us to do that, we use popcorn kernels, chocolate glaze pop, which is a gold medal product, caramel glaze pop. Of course, we have our corn oil here, and we also use mini marshmallows. Can't have hot chocolate without marshmallows. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. If you're interested in learning how to build one of these kettle corn machines yourself, there are plans on our website, and the link to that is right in the description down below in the description of this video, and you can make one of these kettle corn poppers yourself. All right, popcorn's starting to pop. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of chocolate glaze pop and 1/2 cup of caramel. We'll get that mixed up. It's gonna start to foam up here in a second. Glaze pop always foams up when you add it. Oh, you can really smell the chocolate when that happens. It smells so good. If you've ever been to Hershey Park in Pennsylvania and you go through the tour, it smells that rich chocolate. That's what this smells like. It smells so good. Oh, it's starting to really pop now. All right, we're all popped up nice here. Now we're gonna dump in this bag of marshmallows. We're gonna stir up. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks awesome. All those pieces of chocolate and the marshmallows on there. It smells so good. Let's get a couple pieces here. That's still nice and hot. Look at that. Look at those pieces with that marshmallow on there. Let's give it a try. Nice and crunchy. That is so good. It tastes just like hot chocolate. It's kind of like that caramel is what you need in there to really creamy it out and soften it up. And that's what makes it really taste like that hot chocolate. And you got those marshmallows in there. So good. So go ahead and give this one a try. Like I said, we're going to use this today. We're going to watch some Christmas movies because it's cold outside, snow on the ground, and we're going to enjoy some of this. So get out there and get popping.